to announce the swearing-in ceremony.
I, Mohammed Javed Mansoor, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution. Do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare Fiji, and that I will obey, observe,
Your Honour, Congratulations. Welcome.